We get asked this question all the time. What is the best investment platform? But sadly, there isn't a clear-cut winner. It all depends on the service or functionality that you want, the amount of money that you have invested, and your investment style.
In previous videos, we've praised Interactive Investor as being a fantastic platform for those that have a decent amount of money. But from June 2019, they're introducing new charges. So we ask in this video, is Interactive Investor still a good place to invest? Does it still cut the mustard?
In this video, we're going to review Interactive Investor and see if it's still the best investment platform for UK investors. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Money Unshackled, the investment channel that sets you and your finances free. If you like what we have to say, be sure to hit the like button and click subscribe and check out our new website.
Also, if you want to support the channel and get rich in the process yourself, then check out some of the links in the description below where we've listed loads of cool stuff that will help you become financially free, including up to £100 cashback when you sign up to one of the peer-to-peer platforms. Let's get into it.
What accounts do they offer? Interactive Investor offer a wide range of accounts including ISA, SIPP, Junior ISA and General Trading accounts. We expect this as standard, but it is not uncommon for other platforms to only offer a general account, which means that you're not protected from capital gains tax and dividend tax.
So-called free investment platforms such as Freetrade do offer an ISA, but you have to pay extra to use them. So, with Interactive Investor offering these accounts as standard, this is great, but note there wasn't the option of using a lifetime ISA, which may come as a disappointment for some of you. Of course, for those that watch us on a regular basis, they will know that we invest for financial freedom today, not sometime in the future. So, the standard investment ISA is our weapon of choice.
What is the right fee structure? Percentage fee versus flat fee. Generally speaking, there are two types of fee structures for investment platforms. These are percentage fee, which will see the total charge increase as your investment pot increases, and a flat fee, which stays the same as your investment pot grows.
As you can imagine, you don't want to be paying a percentage fee if you have a lot of money invested. For example, AJ Bell offer a low percentage fee of just 0.25%, but if you've managed to build up an investment portfolio worth £200,000, that 0.25% equates to £500 annual charge.
Whereas if you'd built up a pot of £500,000, which wouldn't be unreasonable if you're serious about financial freedom, then this would be an annual charge of £1,250. Suddenly, with percentage charges, the fees start to get ridiculous.
This is where the White Knight Interactive Investor comes to save us with their friendly flat fee pricing. No matter how much your investment pot grows, Interactive Investor are going to charge you the same amount.
What are the charges? They used to offer what we thought was a very reasonable rate of £90 per year, but they've recently increased this to £10 a month or £120 a year. Despite the disappointment with the cost increase, it doesn't really change too much, albeit you now need a slightly bigger pot in order to make Interactive Investor the lowest cost platform.
In fact, Interactive Investor don't just charge £10 a month. They've introduced 3 service plans at different prices, with the £10 plan being the cheapest. Whilst this does make things more complicated to compare, it does benefit those that trade frequently, as you will get lower trading costs on the more expensive plans.
Here at Money Unshackled, we promote the value of trading less frequently and holding for the long term, so we don't really see the need to be invested in these more expensive service plans. Those that trade frequently tend to underperform because of clocking up lots of trading fees. Because of this, we'll be basing the rest of this video on the cheapest investor plan.
A positive change they've made is the reduction of trading fees from £10 to £8, a very welcome change indeed. A great thing about Interactive Investor is they actually give you an equivalent of 1 free trade per month. This is £8 trading credit that can go towards any trade that you like. So this can actually make Interactive Investor one of the cheapest platforms, even if you don't have a large pot of money. Unfortunately, those credits only last 90 days, which is a shame as this isn't very long. I think under the old prices they used to last a full 12 months, which is a lot better.
Other services. Interactive Investor isn't just a one-trick pony. They have one of the best service offerings out there, and in their words, you get access to more investment opportunities than any other provider in the market.
This includes access to 40,000 shares across 17 global exchanges, over 3,000 funds, investment trusts and ETFs, and a lot more. This superb range just isn't offered by cheaper alternatives.
One of the features we like is regular investing, which allows you to invest on a monthly basis for just 99 pence per trade. We both feel that regular investing is a fantastic way to build significant wealth. They also provide a dividend reinvestment service for just 99 pence. Again, this is another service that other cheaper platforms don't offer.
They also have a contact phone number. Wow. Don't underestimate this. If you need help and you have a lot of money invested, then you may want to get hold of a person. Not all other investment platforms make it so easy.
Summary. To summarise, we both still feel that Interactive Investor is the best platform for those that have got a large pot of money or plan on having a large pot of money in the near future. The free monthly trading credit is a great feature, and depending on the frequency of your trading can make Interactive Investor one of the cheapest platforms even for those with a small pot.
Question of the day: what do you look for in an investment platform? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. On this channel we talk a lot about personal finance, investing and all things money. And if you want to see more great content, please click the subscribe button below.
This is MoneyUnshackled.com. See you next time.